Basically, we are the manufacturer of the glass wool insulation. This we are using for the thermal and acoustic insulation. This is the glass fiber, and this product is used for the thermal and acoustic insulation. This is a 100% non-combustible product. The product which is low thermal conductivity and higher resistance value, that is called good insulation product. So we have a different kind of application, like we are using this product in under deck insulation, something like this, in pre-engineering building. We have a drywall application also. We are using this product in cavity wall also, and in different application of the HVAC segment, like duct insulation, AHU, machine room insulation. Here we are providing the insulation solution to the cold storage segment also. The entire cold storage building need insulation. So we are providing our best solution, that is glass wool insulation. That is a low cost product. Also it is energy saving product. If anyone using the product like thermocol or any other insulation material, so that is not an incombustible material that will catch fire or also emit toxic fumes. That is very harmful for the client and for the product which is stored in the cold storage or any storage area. So this product is 100% non-combustible, and that is certified by the BS 476 Part 4, that is a testing procedure. And also we are providing the solution like flexible duct also. We have a pipe section for the pipe insulation also. Our product comes in a two form. One is a roll form, another one is a board form. Depending upon the application, we are providing the solution to our customers. If you talk about the company, our company basically we are the technical licensee of the Isover Saint-Gobain. We manufacturing their product glass wool insulation under the license of the Isover Saint-Gobain. And we have a two plant. One is based in UP Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh, and another one is Ambernath, Maharashtra. Another thing, I just want to add one thing more, that if you talk about the public safety, if you talk about the people safety, so this material is 100% fireproof, as I mentioned earlier also. In present scenario, if you see any accident which is happened due to fire, so most of the casualty happen due to the toxic fume. This is why, because the people are using the product which is not a fire safe product, or also produce toxic fume that is more harmful for the human being. So this product is 100% safe for the human being also, for the environment also. This is also called a green product. We are certified by the GRIHA, also by the Singapore Green Building Council. So this is green product also. So this is all about Twiga. We are providing glass wool insulation for the different kinds of application of the buildings and everything.